Welcome to a new episode of West Coast Bushcrafters. So what are we going to do today, Tim?
I think we're gonna do a new knife review.
Yes.
And let's see what we got here. We got a lot of Bark River knives. We got a LT Wright.
Yeah.
It's a lot of American knives we have here.
Yeah.
Here is one, the Adventure Sworn. What is it? The Mountaineer. We haven't
done an episode about that one yet.
really would like to do that.
Yeah. But I don't feel for any American knives today. I love the knives,
Yeah.
but I feel for something Italian,
What do you have in mind then?
something Scandinavian,
Okay.
and
good.
something Dutch. Do you have a clue?
I think so. Show the viewers.
yeah. We're gonna do a episode about the MKM, handmade in Italy, designed from Jasper Voxnes in Denmark, and exclusively sold by Knives and Tools from Holland.
Let's test the shit out of this
Yeah,
knife.
let's do that. They say that Normar is a great all-round knife, good bushcrafter, good survival knife, and as you see on the belly, it's a great hunting knife. But first, we need to start with some batoning. The spine is 2.8 millimeters and the blade length is 10 centimeters. No. It's a good batoner, not the best one we tested, but for this kind of use, it's no problem at all.
We're gonna make some feather sticks now, but first let's see how sharp this knife is. 2.8 millimeter stick knife, and from all the knives we have in our collection, I don't think there are so many knives that come out of the box with this sharpness. It's very impressive.
After batoning.
After batoning, indeed, yeah. So it's a great sharpness out of the box. Well done. Well, let's see. Put my gloves on.
Ooh.
You directly notice that the knife is really sharp. The amount of pressure is very limited.
Nice curls.
And this is when I push, so let's try to, yeah. It's a fantastic feather sticker. The less amount you press on with the knife on the wood, the more it performs by itself. And the more it curls up. This is fantastic.
It's a good Scandi.
It is a very good Scandi. CPM 3V. They did really well there. This is a very nice feather stick. This is one of those knives you get really impressed about, and just really a lot of fun just to feather stick. Really nice fabric edge. It's 1 week later. We're sitting here close to the water. The sea trout season has started, so later in the evening we're gonna try to catch another fish.
Yes. This is our favorite sea trout what is it?
Yeah, spot.
Spot. So good chances for some fish today.
We we got 4 bites.
Yes.
And we could take 1 fish with us on the Monday.
Big one. Congratulations, Tim.
There will be food on Friday.
Well, we're gonna continue with Normar.
Yes, so let's test this knife out. We're gonna make very good food later today. And what it looks like, it is a really good food prepper. So that will be nice to see how that goes.
Yeah, and we're gonna need to start a fire, and
we can start with that.
Yeah. When you try to start a fire with a Normar, you think, oh, the spine is rounded, and it's very round. But Mr. Voxnes has designed that the pommel is very sharp. So I'm gonna try to start a fire. Yes, finally. I think that the pommel should have been a little bit bigger, but with some practice, no problem. Pommel?
Pommel.
Pommel? I need to use the pommel, please. Mommy, where's my pommel? What's for dinner, Tim?
Yeah, nice question. So we brought with us the Petromax potato cooker. So we're gonna put some potatoes in there, put on the fire, put some pieces of onion. When those are almost done, we take some cooked
Red beets or
beets.
something. I don't know.
And at the end we chop some feta cheese. Put it over there. We have some garlic and protein for today.
Flintstone. Flintstone meat.
Oh, this is really good piece of meat. They marinated it for us, but that will be very tasty. 1 kilo of meat.
Ovant att vara varm på fingrarna. Eller den så kanske. Ja, det får bli så. Så. Nej.
Nej.
Just like this.
Perfect.
Oh,
Sharp knife.
very sharp knife. Should be great food prepper. And
Yeah.
great hunting knife, I can imagine.
Green.
Ta bort det, Ben.
Vi slänger upp den. Open on
Yeah,
fire.
yeah, do that.
Ja, det var... This is what we call a packed paper mics. Potato multi-cooker.
Yeah.
Where are the potatoes?
I don't know.
Oh, then
It smells
very good.
delicious. Is it good, Tim?
Oh yes. It tastes like the outdoors.
Yeah.
Fan vad gott det är.
Ja, det var jättegott. Var. The MKM knife. I really like this sheet. It's very nice. When I have it in my hand, it feels like real good quality. I like the little spaced bevel or the stomach of the knife. So knives and tools, Jesper Voxnäs and Lion Steel have done a great job with this knife.
They absolutely did. I think it's a very nice knife.
Yeah, me too. So thank you for this time.
Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Hey!
Do you also want to have a nice West Coast Bushcrafter cap?
Make a comment
Then we're gonna pick one person.
and we'll ship it to you wherever you are.